guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can write Python code in Notepad and in the command prompt. If you don't have a good IDE, don't worry, you can write Python code in the Notepad or in the command prompt. So first let me to create Python file. So I'm gonna create Python file on the desktop. Right click, new file, text document, and let's give a name to the file. So I'm gonna say code_file, and we need to change the extension to py. Hit enter, yes. And now let me open this file in Notepad. So I'm gonna use print statement, print, and we are gonna say hello, we are writing Python code in Notepad. Ctrl S to save the changes and open up your command prompt if you are using Windows operating system, and if you are using Mac operating system then open up your terminal. So I'm using Windows operating system, and cd desktop because our Python file is present on the desktop. And now let's run our Python program. So Python, the command on Windows is Python and the command on Mac operating systems is Python 3. Python and then your file name. So our file name is code_file.py. And now if I hit enter, we will get this message down over here. So let's see the message, and we get hello, we are writing Python code in Notepad. You can also write the Python code in the command prompt or in the terminal. So let's clear the screen, CLS, and hit enter. In order to write Python code in the command prompt or in the terminal, the command on Windows is Python and the command on Mac operating system is Python 3, and hit enter. Now we can write our Python code in the command prompt. So let's add two number. I'm gonna say a equal to 10, b equal to pipe, c equal to a plus b. And now let's print the c, print c. And now if I hit enter, we will get the sum of a and b. So we will get 15. Let's see the result, and we get 15. So you can write your Python code in the command prompt or in the terminal if you don't have a good IDE. And to exit from the Python, Ctrl Z and hit enter. CLS for clearing the screen. And if you want to change your command prompt text color, you can. So we have color A for light green, we have color 1 for blue, we have color 4 for red, and we have simple color for white. And if you want to learn more about color codes, type color codes, hit enter, you will get all the colors code list. 0 for black, 1 for blue, 2 for green, 3 for aqua, and so on. So by the way, you can write your Python code in Notepad or in the command prompt or in the terminal, but Python should be installed on your system. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.